Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to easily make an iCloud email under 1 minute. So, welcome to another video. Here, as you can see, we have Apple ID. We are on appleid.apple.com. And here you will be able to actually go and just click sign in here. So click sign in. You can also read all the privacy and basically everything right here, but you can just go sign in, and then as you can see, we'll have to load up right here. We'll have to manage our Apple account, right? So if you don't have an Apple account, or if you want to create another Apple ID account or iCloud, email, go here to create your Apple ID. Click here, and then you will basically go to the process here where you can create your Apple ID. As you can see, one Apple ID is all you need to access all Apple services. Now here, you can basically create that Apple ID, and then you will be able to use it to your iCloud or for your iCloud and for other Apple devices and on your other Apple devices as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a really short video, but I hope you find it useful, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.